Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How's everyone doing? I hope all is well. So whoever's tuning in, checking us out today. But if you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below, as we are on the journey to 10,000 subscribers. And it would be truly appreciated if you hit that subscribe button down below. Also, you're brand new, you're probably going to want to get notified every time we drop a brand new video, because we try to drop one around here every single day. So do me a favor, hit that little notification bell down below, and it'll let you know every time we drop a video. But also, before we get into today's video, huge shout out to J&M Sneakers. They're bringing the sneakers so I can bring the content to you guys. So do me a favor, in the links below, in the description is their Instagram. Give them a follow. Let them know I sent you. If you decide to shop with them, like I said, let them know I sent you. But anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Today, we're here to check out the Air Jordan 13 Playoffs. The shoe is so fire. Now this is an OG colorway. Jordan did rock, I believe he rocked this shoe the entire season, the entire 1998 season, until the last game at Madison Square Garden. He actually wore the Jordan 1s. But anyway, guys, like I said, I never owned the shoe. Super excited to actually have it in my hands now, and it's a real beauty. Now, these shoes did come out in 1998, like I mentioned before. They came out in 2011, I believe. So there's 3 pairs that came out, 2 retros, 1 being the OG. But, like I said, without further ado, let's get into today's review. Alright, guys, starting off with the box. Standard Jordan 13 box, all silver. Got your red Jumpman. And we have a black, true red, and white. That is the official colorway, the Air Jordan 13 Retro. See? Nothing too fancy about the box, just a regular Air Jordan 13. Alright, guys, as we always do here on the channel, starting off on the outsole. As you can see, we got the Jordan 13 outsole. You got your cat's eye. Really dope. I like that little green with the black Jumpman, makes it pop. Got your white pods in the front, kind of looks like a cat's paw, which the 13 is actually designed. I believe the outsole is actually designed to look like a Black Panther, you know. That's where they get the Black Cat 4s, all these different names, but it is what it is. Moving up, as you can see, we have a, you know, all white, well, not all white midsole. We got a rubber midsole. Also, we got some nubuck, I believe, or suede, whatever you want to call it. I never know what to call it nowadays. It's suede or it's nubuck, but I know there's a difference between the both of them, but I believe this is suede. So now you got some suede on the midsole, and you also have suede on the midfoot, kind of wrapping around the heel. As I mentioned before, we got the cat's eye. Taking a look at the side paneling, I always love this. Got the dimples, kind of like a golf ball, because MJ was into golf, so that kind of, you know, that kind of gives it that golf ball look. Anyway, toe box, really nice. Leather feels pretty good, soft to the touch. Moving up, got your Jordan branding. On the back of this, we do not have the 13 though. The Roman numeral 13 was usually on the back tab here, but I don't see it there. Moving up, you got your round rope black laces. Standard Jordan 13 tongue, also made of some soft material. Moving up, embroidered, you got the Jumpman, yellow stitching around it, which that yellow matches the Jordan, so very dope. Taking a look at the inside of the shoe, like I mentioned before, the dimples and the overlays, really nice. The leather is actually pretty good. I like it. Not too bad, not too shabby. As for the guts of the shoe, we have an all black insole, all black, you know, guts of the sneaker, standard Jordan 13. As for the insole, the insole is all black, like I mentioned, with a red Jumpman. But yeah, these are super fire, super happy, excited to have them in the collection. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. Are you picking these guys up on Saturday? I'd love to hear your thoughts, your opinions, your comments. Leave them down in the comment section. Don't forget to stay to the end of the video, because we got an on foot. So please make sure you stay tuned. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Stay tuned. New videos dropping tomorrow. Until next time, it is your man, the son of some man, and we're out, guys. Peace.